Hey folks, it's Justin here at Metcalf Mills bringing you Fun Fact Friday, because this day and time facts are hard to come by. I got something today I want to share with you that's kind of a family heirloom of mine, and just a little bit about how I take care of it. I hope you enjoy. Alright, now right here behind me you see this wall clock. This wall clock's got some family history. It was bought by one of my dad's first cousins when he was in the service over in Thailand. And my grandparents got one, and one of my grandpa's brothers, they had one in their house. But this clock's probably, I'd say, maybe getting close to 50 years old, I'd say. And the thing's been running ever since then, maybe just a few times that it wasn't running, but it hung in my grandparents' living room for years. And it's a real family treasure that I'm proud to hold on to and take care of. Somebody had commented the other day on my Storytime Tuesday about they want to see that clock I hear ticking in the background, so here it is. This clock is a Seiko. You can see right there. And it's a 30-day clock. So when you wind this baby up, she'll run for 30 days when it was new. Now, I don't try to get 30 days out of it now because I don't like to wind it up too tight. But it's a 30-day clock. It strikes every hour and a half hour. And it strikes once on the half hour, and it strikes out the time on the hour. So if it's 5 o'clock, it'll strike 5 times. And what I do for this clock, I keep some clock oil in here that once in a great while I'll take the face off and oil some of the main components of it. But the most important thing is keep a can lid of kerosene oil sitting in here. And just that oil being in there will keep this clock lubricated and keep everything working good. So that's what my grandparents done. That's what his brother and his wife done for their clock. It works real good. Keep your clock running smooth. Kerosene oil, just a little can lid of kerosene oil in there. And it's a solid can lid, not the 2-piece, so it ain't gonna leak out everywhere. But the way you wind this clock up, here's the key for it. And one side winds the running spring that makes it run, and the other side winds the hammer to strike. So the way you wind this thing up, just put the key in there, turn it, and the left side is the running of the clock, and the right side is the striking of the clock. We'll wind it up on this side, and I just wind it until I feel it getting pretty tight. I don't push it because it's 50 years old. No need to push it. So there it is. There's the key. That's how you wind your clock. Keep that can lid of kerosene oil in there. Keep a little clock oil on this side. Take the face off and oil the main components every once in a great while. I mean, maybe just every few years, not often at all. But this clock quit on my grandparents years ago, and I was probably 15 or so, and I talked them into letting me work on it. They didn't know anybody else that could, and I took the face off and messed with it a while, and I got it to working again. I think it might have just been wound too tight or something, but I got it working when I was 15. It's been running fine ever since. So Sit there and tick all day and all night. Right in here you can see the hammers right there. There's 2 hammers and the 2 chimes hanging down. So the hammers, when it comes time, the hammers will move to the left and snap back and strike the chimes for the strike. And that's how she works. And a lot of people say, does that thing strike at night? And I say, yeah, it strikes at night. Boy, I wouldn't want that striking when I was trying to sleep, but after just a little while you get used to it, you never hear it strike unless you're just listening for it. Be sitting here and you'll look up at the clock and it'll be just barely past the hour, and you'll think, well, that clock's quit striking. I didn't even hear it. But then when it comes around to the half hour, you'll hear it strike. It just, you don't hear it when it's there all the time. That's a funny thing, but a lot of times you don't even hear it strike. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's Fun Fact Friday about Grandma and Pa's wall clock. I always have loved clocks. I love to hear them. I love to watch them. I love to look at them. Pocket watches too. Just something about them, they don't require anything but a little winding. And that means a lot to me this day and time. Well, this is Justin here at Metcalf Mills wishing you a happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend. Spend a little bit of time watching Metcalf Mills this weekend if you can. And I'm trying to get back in the swing of making some more videos. So I look forward to seeing you next time.